Hello everyone, I'm Scarlett Kinanti. In this video, I will explain a little about the control unit operations. Let's watch the video. What is the control unit? 1. Definition. The control unit is the part of the CPU that directs the operation of the processor by interpreting and executing instructions. 2. Function. It controls data flow between the CPU, various components, and coordinates the tasks necessary for the execution of programs. How the control unit works: fetch, decode, and execute cycle. Number 1. Fetch. The control unit retrieves an instruction from the memory. 2. Decode. It then decodes the instruction to understand what operation needs to be performed. 3. Execute. Finally, it executes the instruction by triggering the appropriate components, ALU, memory, or registers. The components of the control unit. 1. Control signals. These signals tell the other parts of the CPU what operation to perform, such as reading or writing to memory. 2. Control registers. These hold status information, control bits, or addresses needed to control the operation. 3. Clock. The clock synchronizes the execution of instructions, ensuring that every part of the system operates in harmony. Types of control units. 1. Hardware control unit. 2. Use fixed logic circuits to control operations. 3. It's fast but lacks flexibility. 4. Microprogrammed control unit. 5. Use a set of stored instructions to control the CPU. 6. It's more flexible but slower than hardwired control unit. Control signal in action. Number 1. Memory read or write. Allows the CPU to access data in memory. Number 2. ALU operation. Controls the arithmetic and logical operation performed by the ALU. Number 3. Register control. Manage data movement between registers. Control unit and CPU coordination. Integration with other CPU components. Number 1. ALU, arithmetic logic unit. Number 2. Memory. Number 3. Registers. Explanation. The control unit doesn't act alone. It's work in coordination with other parts of the CPU. For example, when the CPU decides an addition operation is needed, it sends a signal to the ALU to perform the calculation. It might also need to access data from memory or move information between registers. The CPU is the manager, orchestrating the operation so everything works together smoothly. Importance of the control unit. 1. Coordinating operation. It ensures instructions are carried out correctly. 2. Efficiency. By synchronizing the entire CPU, it leads to faster, more accurate processing. Explanation. The control unit is integral to the CPU function. Without it, there would be no coordination between the components, and the CPU won't fail to execute instructions correctly. It enables the CPU to process tasks efficiently by ensuring each part of the processor is doing its job at the right time. Conclusion. 1. Recap. The control unit is essential for the smooth and accurate operation of the CPU. 2. Key point. It coordinates all the operation, making sure instructions are processed efficiently. Explanation. In conclusion, the control unit plays a vital role in the CPU operation. It manages and coordinates the execution of instructions by fetching, decoding, and executing tasks. Its ability to direct the flow of data and synchronize operations ensures that program runs smoothly and efficiently. Without the CPU, the CPU will not function as we expect, highlighting its importance in modern computing systems.